It's a 2009 Chrysler Town & Country. With plenty of room to stretch out and pack things in, this luxurious and innovative Town & Country will become your home away from home. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, driver memory seats, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and heated leather bucket seats. New car test drive writes, the clever features start with the storage solutions. The premium console is also removable, so you can make good on your threat to go back there when the kids need to be forcefully separated. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.